Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's good evening because we are touching 5 o'clock in the evening. Day 3, we are at hall number 3 here at Marposs India. We have Mr. Omveer Singh from New Delhi. Thank you, Omveer ji. We have got Mr. Gopinath Madoli. It's a pleasure meeting you, Gopinath ji. To start our conversation, can you let our audience know more about Marposs Care? Because to me, I'm also, I want to understand what is Marposs Care.
Basically, Marposs Care is the care of customers for the products what they are using. Basically, there are a lot of products from Marposs which are being used by different customers, from industries or glass industries or aerospace industry. So we are here to ensure that Marposs service is present everywhere, and we are providing the services, different services on their products at their end, as well as our repair center here in India.
Ladies and gentlemen, services, according to my understanding, uh, the challenge in machine tool or any manufacturing is service and spare part. So, Omveer ji, under Marposs Care, in services, what all things you do, and then we'll get into the industry. I wanted to understand what all things you do under, the Marposs Care.
Thank you. Under service, there are so many different segments we have. Starting from preventive maintenance, we are providing a AMC contact to our customer to maintain and to give good life of our equipments. What the accuracy we have promised to our customer, we are trying to maintain to achieve that level always. Okay, and we have the calibration facility of our instruments. What the instruments we are giving, we are ensuring that the instrument that's working in perfect condition as it was given as a brand new. After that, we have the process control system. So process improvement system, we are also giving inputs to our customer with the regular measurement and feedback to our customers. We are also providing training to our customers, so that nowadays actually this is the big problem that newcomers are coming to the industry, operators and maintenance guys, they are changing on very frequent basis. So training is also very important for them, so that they can learn about our instruments, they can use it properly and they can maintain it properly for better.
Ladies and gentlemen, when they were explaining, the services, I thought, my mind goes at the, to firefighters. At the last moment they go and try to, low down the fires, rescue people. Service is something like that, where, which is much needed. And in India, some people say, let's save service cost, and then they face a lot of challenges. And your job, I know it's tough. It's like firefighting, convincing customers that these all steps, if they take, they will, it's good for their, product machines, production and all. So, Gopinath ji, what all industry right now, and what sort of, I know there must be a lot of checks since you are MNC. So, what all industries which you are serving right now?
Yeah, as I said, we are serving to the automobile industry, the glass industry, aerospace industry. We have variety of products in which we are providing from the service point of view. We are, as Mr. Omveer explained to you about different kind of categories where we provide the services. All these industries, all these categories are already present. Calibration 100% on those equipments where it is necessary, and quality what we never compromise, any customer never compromises. So calibration is there, and training is almost required for newcomers.
And for my understanding, or for the people or your customers, does your sales team go and approach to a client that why they should have Marposs Care, or when do reach out to customers, how do you convince a customer that if they should opt for this to make sure their production goes effortlessly or seamlessly? How do you convince customers? Because I know getting service, when you are asking somebody to invest again on service, it's a challenge. But I know it's important. So how do you? What's the process of your customers to getting enrolled himself to Marposs Care?
Before that, I want to tell you that India is a growing country. Okay, so all the industries they are working 24 into 7. We can say they are using our instrument on optimum level. Okay, so this is very essential that if they are using that instrument continuously, there must be some wear and tear of those parts. So this is our duty to teach them. If they are using instrument like this, then definitely they have to maintain it. There are so many customers, they are using our AMC services, and they are during the production, they are taking some time for preventive maintenance activities so that their instruments life can be enhanced. So in both way, our sales team they also test them for better usability of the machine, MC or any type of contact that is very important for them, and we also approach them to go for this type of services.
Lastly, today we are in day three. Hundreds of customers must have visited. So, what was your experience? What were your interaction with your clients? I guess most of them must have came to you. Some knew about this. Some must be curious to understand. So, how is the show for you as a I can say from a Marposs Care side? You know,
Few of the customers they are already knowing what services we are providing. They are regularly in touch with us for all these contracts, maintenance contracts, or calibration contracts. But we found some of the customers they are using our products, but they are not aware of what services we can provide and how they can maintain their equipment at their end with the help of our engineers and calibration, process improvement, everything what we understood and we conveyed to them from their point of view. We satisfied their requirements. They are very happy and they are eager to join with us.
and you tell me sir your experience about the customer walking in and talking about you. How's the show for you according to you?
Fantastic, we are enjoying it with our customer. At least it's a platform where we are meeting our customers, and definitely there should be some complaints, but we are always ready to serve them or to give them our better services. So this really we everyone is enjoying this show.
Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, service is like firefighting. It's must. Do come to Marposs booth if you are here in IMTEX. Come to hall number 3B. Meet these two gentlemen, Mr. Omveer Singh, Mr. Gopinath ji. Talk to them about Marposs Care and try to understand, how they can help you to make your machine or production up and running. Thank you, Gopinath ji. Thank you, Omveer ji. Looking forward to see you someday in Delhi. Have a great evening. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.